the last moment are taking for Bitcoin right now. Is this going to be a breakout or a fake out? And what will be the response of altcoins to this pipe movement? Let's go straight to the chart.
Okay, as we can see now, we are in a 4 hourly chart presently on Bitcoin US dollar price. So Bitcoin has been in a downtrend and has been for some days now it has been consolidating. So as we have said in the intro, consolidation phase can be very boring, but I don't want you guys to be disappointed. But I have two scenario playing out now. So please, I want us to know that personally, based on my opinion, we are still in the bull market. Bitcoin can still drop down as low as 23,000 and we are still in the bull market. I believe that the bull market is not yet over. Let's go to the charts. This pattern I'm seeing right now majorly is a continuation pattern. Don't let me say bearish. It's a continuation pattern. Either we are in a bull run, it signifies more, it has more tendency of being a continuation pattern. So it is called symmetrical triangle. Bitcoin has been on a downtrend, so if it to continue, it has a tendency of taking the price down to around 23,000 US dollar. Then this is a place to watch for. 29,500 US dollar is a point to watch for before it gets to that place. If you can take this previous low here, so it's before. So we have to wait that the bullish pattern to, if it's breaking upward, this can take the price to as high as 50,000 US dollar. If it's breaking upward, this can take the price to as high as 50,000 US dollar. So we must be aware of fake outs. We must be aware of fake out. There is a place in which it can tends to break down and it goes back into the pattern, then break upward. So proper risk management is the way in which you can handle between a fake out and a proper breakout. Ensure your risk management is in place. This is a huge trade of how many percent? I think breaking upward or breaking downward. This is a huge trade of close to 32%. And don't forget, if you are leveraging, if you are trading on Binance or FMS or Bybit, on a 10x leverage, that is 320%. On a 20x leverage, that is 640%. So if it's breaking downward too, it has the same, that's around 32%, yeah, around 34% if it's breaking downward. And this breakout is going to happen any moment from now. I think between now and, let's see, the last day, between now and 5th of June, this breakout is going to happen, and it's going to be a huge movement of minimum around 30% trade. You trading on FMS is by 10s leverage is 320, 20s leverage is 640. So that is a huge trade. Please ensure that you are an experienced trader. You leveraging, you can make good amount of money, and you can also lose amount of money. Ensure this is only made for experienced trader. And if you are trading, if you are an experienced trader already, check the comment section below. You will see our link to trade on. You can trade it on Bybit. Yeah, you can trade it on Bybit. It's literally take less than 30 seconds to sign up. You can trade it on FMS. So if you don't have an account on FMS, it take literally less than 30 seconds to sign up. You can also trade it on Binance. 10s, 20s leverage. Ensure your proper your risk to reward ratio is put into place. Ensure your risk to reward ratio is put into place. Also, I observed that almost the same pattern is forming for other altcoins. For example, if you check WIN, we are seeing almost the same thing. If you check Ethereum charts, we are seeing almost the same thing. Other altcoins tend to respond and follow through Bitcoin price, although there are sometimes that it disengages, it does not follow, or it does not move as the Bitcoin price is moving. But right now, Bitcoin price and most of the altcoins, they are correlating. This Ethereum price, if you look at it, almost the same thing is forming. We can bring out, okay, if you are connecting it like this, So we can see that almost same pattern is forming, and the breakout is very imminent right now. If you look at other altcoins, almost the same thing is forming. So almost the same thing is forming. You can connect it somewhere like that, somewhere like this, somewhere somewhere like this. Don't forget, I was talking about fake out the other time. This is like a fake out now. So you take proper risk management for you to trade a fake out and a proper breakout. So please ensure that you are an experienced trader before you take this trade. Ensure that you are an experienced trader and your risk to reward ratio they are put in place. And don't forget, guys, as always, Jesus Christ is Lord, and stay profitable.